Now that is a crack of a dish. Make sure to stick around to check out my easy butter chicken recipe. You won't regret it. Right here on James Eats.
Simple ingredients, so easy to make, yet packed full of flavor. Coming right up. Before we get into this video, guys, make sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and click that noti bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And now if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking on to my video. All right, let's get on to marinating our chicken. Okay guys, so I've got some boneless chicken thighs here. I'm just going to cut these into strips. Pop our chicken into our mixing bowl. So to our chicken thighs, we're going to add in a couple of ingredients to marinate our chicken. So I've got here just a couple of tablespoons of tandoori paste. This is going to add in a nice mixture of flavors here. Here I've also got a half a cup of just some Greek yogurt. It doesn't matter what brand of yogurt to use, but as long as it's natural yogurt. And also here I've got a tablespoon of just some regular vegetable oil. So in that goes, and you want to just give that a real good mix through our chicken here. Oh, the smell of that tandoori paste smells pretty good. Good spices through that that paste there. Okay, now you want to let this sit for at least 30 minutes. An hour would be good. Leaving it overnight will be even better. But if you're short for time, half an hour to an hour marinating this is sufficient. So right here we've got some chili powder. Now it is optional, you don't have to add chili. I do like a bit of spice to my butter chicken, so I've got some just some ground chili powder there. Right here I've got some coriander powder, got some cumin, some Gara Masala. I've also got some sliced onion here, about a medium-sized onion. Now with butter chicken, the traditional way of making butter chicken is they add ghee to the cooking process. Now if you don't have ghee, can't get access to ghee, a substitute for ghee is using a bit of butter and oil, about a tablespoon of butter, tablespoon of oil. That can substitute for ghee. So right here I've just got some butter here. Now I've also got about a quarter cup of water. I've got my minced garlic and minced ginger, and just a tin of crushed tomatoes we're going to add in to our butter chicken sauce. So let's get on to making the sauce. Okay, just going to add in our butter, add in just a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon of oil, and just get that mounting away. All right, toss in our sliced white onion, and you just want to saute this until it's translucent and our onions have softened. Okay, add in our ginger, about a teaspoon of our ginger, and add in our garlic as well. Give that a bit of a toss for about 30 seconds. You want to just lightly saute that for about 30 seconds. Then goes our crushed tomatoes. Okay, in goes our chili powder, coriander, cumin, and our Gara Masala. Mix that all the way through. Just let that cook away for about 5 to 7 minutes, just to release all those flavors into that sauce. Okay, I'm going to add in our water there. And just, this is cooking away on medium heat, so just let that continue to cook away for a further couple of minutes or so. So our sauce is looking pretty good. I'm now going to pop this into our blender. That's our sauce, guys. That is looking pretty good. Nice orange color to our sauce. All right, guys, I'm now going to add in some white sugar to our sauce, just to bring that sweetness to our butter chicken sauce. So in goes probably just about a couple of tablespoons, I guess. Okay, we're going to cook our chicken that's been in the fridge marinating for about an hour. So we're just going to add in our chicken pieces. Now you just want to cook your chicken until it's fully cooked all the way through.
Alright, so our chicken is ready, guys, so it's time to add in our butter chicken sauce. Nice orange colour to our butter chicken sauce. Okay, just reduce the heat down to low and just mix that sauce through our chicken. Just give our chicken a couple more minutes to soak up all that beautiful butter chicken sauce, and then we'll add in our fresh cream. Okay, in goes our full cream. Now this is going to give a good richness to our butter chicken sauce. Just gently mix it all through. Oh yeah, this butter chicken is looking delish. Just want to drizzle a bit of fresh cream on there. Top that off. Bit of parsley. Alright, let's try out this butter chicken. You still have that slight sharpness from those tin tomatoes and that nice richness coming from that fresh cream, and then you get that hit of chili coming through. So guys, I've listed all the ingredients in the description box down below, so go and check out those details. This is a pretty delish butter chicken recipe. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Keep yourself safe. I'll see you in the next video right here on James Eats. Can't get enough. So good.